Today's power word for your resume is disciplined. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Disciplined means the person has clearly defined goals, they do everything to meet their goals, and are not waylaid by temptations. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. Discipline is a mere describing word, an adjective. It tells about you, not about your action, what you did to benefit the company. So, you need to back up your claims with your achievements. See, what is it that you wish to say? You have clearly defined goals, you do everything to achieve them, yet you follow rules, you never break them, and you're not drawn away by enticement, nor do you lose your way. So, how do you say all these things in your resume? You use action words. Now, what are the action words for disciplined? You can say achieved, created, forged, persisted. And then you write about the difficulties you faced and how you overcame them on your way towards your goal. Of course, be careful not to divulge any classified information. Now let's look at how this could appear on your resume. If you're in sales, you could say, persisted with difficult clients and achieved an average of 70% conversion. Now, let's look at how this is objective. We've got figures 70%. So you're converting the clients, and the specific information is the difficult clients. And your problem, therefore, is converting difficult clients. And what's the nature of benefit? Conversion of customers or clients. Thank you for watching this video, liking it, and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.